The latest smartwatch from Samsung, the Galaxy Watch 6, was unveiled alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Fold 5. Both new variants come with larger batteries compared to the previous year's Watch 5. The question remains, is there an improvement in battery life? The Galaxy Watch 6 is available in two versions, the standard Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The Classic version offers a rotating bezel, catering to fans of the Watch 4 Classic, and features a stainless steel body instead of titanium or aluminum. However, the distinctions between the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic are minimal. Both devices share identical battery capacities, 300 mAh for the smaller variant and 435 mAh the larger one. Samsung claims a consistent battery life of 30 hours with the always-on display active and 40 hours with it off for both watches. For those who prioritize the always-on display, the 30-hour battery life is acceptable. Given Samsung's increased emphasis on sleep coaching, it's essential for the Watch 6 to manage a complete day of regular usage along with a night's sleep in sleep mode. In sleep mode, the display is turned off entirely to conserve battery. Throughout the Galaxy Watch 6 pre-order phase, we thoroughly tested its capabilities, wearing it continuously for day and night use, monitoring notifications and tracking workouts and activity. Based on these tests, we are highly satisfied with the Galaxy Watch 6 battery life. Samsung's 30-hour average estimate for battery life is spot on. In our experience, a full day of regular usage often leaves us with approximately 50 to 60% battery remaining. Enabling sleep mode significantly enhances efficiency, allowing you to get through a night with just 10 to 15% usage. This leaves you with around 40% or more battery upon waking up in the morning. At that point, it's a good idea to connect the Watch 6 to the charger for a rapid recharge. The provided 10-watt charger simplifies this process, adding around 8 hours of battery life in approximately 8 minutes. Our experience confirms this to be quite accurate, as it equates to roughly a 30% increase in battery level. Now let's contrast this with the Galaxy Watch 5 lineup, consisting of two versions with notably distinct specifications. The standard Watch 5 is equipped with a 410 mAh battery, while the Watch 5 Pro boasts a larger 590 mAh battery. With such substantial power, the Watch 5 Pro boasts an estimated usage time of about 80 hours, which is indeed a conservative estimate. On the other hand, the Watch 5 44mm variant, with a 410 mAh battery, manages roughly a day and a half of regular usage. Users can expect an extended usage period with additional time for recharging and tracking sleep during the night. On our 44mm Watch 6 version, effortlessly managing the entire day and night without concerns about charging was feasible. It took approximately another 8 hours to realize that the device's battery had depleted significantly. This prompts the need for charging, aligning perfectly with the ideal experience for a wearable device. The performance boost can be attributed to the higher capacity and possibly to shift to an Exynos W930 processor from the W920. This processor change, coupled with improved Bluetooth efficiency, likely contributes to the enhanced battery life as well. While the latest Samsung release might not offer a 3-day screen time, that role is reserved for the Pro edition. This is reasonable, considering the 5 Pro caters to a distinct audience valuing a robust, all-encompassing watch. The Watch 5 Pro continues to shine as the ultimate example of Wear OS watches, boasting exceptional battery life. This status is likely to persist until either Samsung or another competitor surpasses it. The battery performance of the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic strikes a balance, providing sufficient power to endure a full day and night while leaving room for a recharge. Coupled with relatively fast charging, the Galaxy Watch 6 battery life is comfortably categorized as acceptable and certainly represents an upgrade over the previous year's smartwatches. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Comment below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.